Welcome back to York Carolina. This is such an important and interesting topic, making sure your family gets exactly what they need in the event of your passing. And it's important to get these plannings when it comes to estate planning. But there's some questions we have. That's why we have David Greene from the Greene Law Firm here to answer some of these questions for us. Good to see you as always.
Thank you. Good to be here.
So you guys have been in the business for a long time. Talk about what it means to be in this community before we dive into a very important topic of estate planning and some of those things. What does it mean for you guys to be invested right here in Greenville?
Well, I've been an attorney for over 40 years. I've always practiced here and started out doing everything. You can't do that anymore. It's too complicated.
Yes,
so I moved into dealing with people in trouble with the IRS and doing estate planning. So it's been a very good practice, and I've helped a lot of people.
I love it. Well, let's break down a few things. And what's the difference between a will and a trust?
The best reason that most people do a trust is to avoid probate. As I tell my clients, you don't do this for yourself. You're doing it for your next of kin, the ones after you. So a trust will avoid probate, so you do not have to go through that 2-year long process where all your assets are tied up. You your spouse or next of kin can continue right on with a business or doing whatever they need to do without having to go to court.
And you say you can delay the giving with the trust?
That's right. With a trust, you can postpone giving. If you have a grandchild, you want to give them assets when they're 25 or 30, you can do that. Not with a will. Everything has to be given at once, right after death with the will.
Yeah. What happens if you die and you don't have either?
In that case, the law takes over. There is a statute, you are intestate at that point, and the statute will say where your assets are going to go. Sometimes that's not good for people,
Yeah, and we hear this term power of attorney. Why is it important to have power of attorney?
A power of attorney is very important, a durable power of attorney. That gives your spouse or someone the ability to act on your behalf if you cannot do so. I had a client with a small business. He had a heart attack and died. The workers came to the wife and said, give us our paychecks. She could not do it. She had to go to court for about $3,000 or $4,000 and be appointed as a conservator. If they'd had a power of attorney, she could have stepped right in and taken care of everything.
Do it. Okay, last but not least, how can I avoid probate?
Well, avoid probate by having a trust, a family trust. If you fund it, now you have to fund it, do what we tell you to do to set it up correctly. But if you do that, you will not go through probate. You just carry right on, and the court is never involved.
And I think that's such an important, and it's important to start having these conversations now so you don't have to deal with it when you have to go to court and spend all this additional money to make it happen.
You already have emotions.
Right. So they want to call you and get that process started. They can just find you online and call you and get that process started.
Online, greenelaw@legal.com, or call me at 864-271-7940. We'll be happy to talk with you, no charge for coming in and talking to us. We can decide what's best for you.
We love it when you come on. You really teach us so much. You make it super simple. Thank you so much. If you need it,
Enjoy being here.
Thank you. We appreciate it.